Hi guys, so today discuss lang natin dito yung mga recent developments kay Gumball. A potential airdrop dito. Meron na rin sila ditong na-raise. $10 million funding in total, no? So kasama dyan yung mga investors nila, Binance Labs, Spartan, Hash, Animoca Brands, Altos Ventures, at marami pang iba dito guys, no? So dito rin meron tayong claimable na Mr. Marbles. Claim natin yan maya-maya. Meron din sila ditong OG Spaceship Auction, yung pinaka-announcement. So discuss natin today as well as other updates or developments dito guys, no? Pero before tayo dito mag-start, kung hindi nyo pa na-like itong video na to, please like this video first, subscribe yung YouTube channel natin, turn all the bell icon para ma-notify kayo dito sa mga updates natin na ginagawa dito sa ating YouTube channel. So for now guys, punta muna tayo dito. Yun, pwede ko na itong i-claim itong pinaka Mr. Marbles 1,600. So I just download the app lang. Tapos kailangan dito yung UID mo, no? So makikita mo naman yung UID mo doon sa pinaka-application. Tapos kung ano yung email na dedicated for airdrop na ginamit mo dito. Yun din yung ginamit ko to create an account doon sa application gamit yung cellphone, no? So yun, claimable na to. Claim ko lang, confirm, and ayun, so nag-reflect na yun dito. Punta muna tayo sa my page natin, and as of the moment meron tayo dito Mr. Marbles guys, no? Hopefully magkaroon to ng points system conversion in the next coming months or the future, kasi meron dito silang newly update din, so like point valuation framework ng Gumball airdrop. And dito nga guys sa pinaka-case study na ito, so meron naman dito pinaka-disclaimer. And then again guys, itong video natin today is just for ideas lang, for reference, that does not qualify as an investment or financial advice. Hope you get some ideas dito. Then mention dito yung Whales market. So ito naman is more on point system na market for pre-market price discovery. So more of speculation, pero dito guys, they highlight ito, maganda itong pinaka economics na dito guys, no? So as we can see, meron ditong pinaka airdrop and marketing 10%, meron ditong for the ecosystem partner na 20% contribution reward as well. So they mention dito yung pinaka staking duration 65 days, and until May 5 pa pala ito. So meron pang pinaka time kahit papano. Mentioning here yung Mr. Marbles can be earned through staking and social missions, no? Yung kanina na example natin. So total supply of points cannot be estimated as social mission creates inflation of total supply. Therefore, the share of staking Mr. Marble rewards needs to be simulated, no? So ito yung mga details dito guys, calculation ng Mr. Marbles, pinaka-conversion into G token, no? Andito naman. So we can read these details naman, lalay ko sa description ng video na to yung official link. Puntahan naman natin guys yung ito, malaking pinaka-news to sa pinaka-project nila guys, no? Kasi as we can see, mga tier 1 investor ito like Binance Labs, Spartan, and Hash. So just to summarize this one guys, no? So Gumball secured $10 million in funding from renowned global venture capital firms, adding to previous rounds, no? Their gaming approach emphasized dynamic change, reversal opportunity, and simplicity for engaging experiences. They aim to establish a self-sustaining economy where games generate revenue based on user engagement, envisioning a participatory DAOs or decentralized autonomous organization for active user and developer involvement. This funding will fuel Gumball's missions to refine gaming with innovative experiences, no? So exciting and promising itong pinaka-project din dito. So this is good, and as we observed kanina, meron nga silang pinaka-allocation for the airdrop, no? So yun yung inaantay din natin, and other details pa dito guys, like itong OG Spaceship Auction nila, yung pinaka-announcements, no? So pinaka-basic summary lang naman dito guys is that they have this OG Spaceship NFTs, limited edition assets for early contributors commemorating the first 100 space explorers. Other takeaways dito guys is types of rarity nila. Meron silang 4 types for varying rarities, kasama dyan yung Alpha, Bravo, Charlie, and Delta, no? So meron silang pinaka-auction rules wherein user bid with BNB with specific rules for each auction. Proceeds go to Decentralized Autonomous Organization or DAO Treasury. So merong pinaka-auction schedule din dito, which is 4 auctions scheduled starting with a test auction. Yung test auction guys is a funds refunded after participants get winner badge to. So, yung pinaka-auction benefits naman dito is like holders receive nung G tokens nila, right to mint Space Kids NFTs and additional rewards dito guys, no. So, andito yung pinaka-details, other informations if you want a comprehensive data or informations dito guys, no. So, for now, punta na tayo dito sa pinaka-dashboard natin. So, punta muna ako dito sa may, ayan dito. So, I have this unclaimed mystery marbles dito. Maybe claim ko na lang by tomorrow siguro. Kasi meron gas fee dito. I allocated USDC kasi stable lang. So, for now, punta muna tayo dito sa my quest. So, meron pa dito mga quest. Ito, hindi ako dito eligible. Pero, other quest dito is that available naman guys, no. So yung challenge kanina, na-claim na natin yung pinaka mystery marbles natin. So sa dare naman, this is just a guessing game. So like pwede mong gamitin yung pinaka mystery marbles mo dito, and free naman itong mystery marbles sa mga quest, no. So pretty much it guys. So you get some ideas dito, other a potential airdrop dito na tinitingnan ko rin. And in terms of investors nila, mga updates is that they are very active naman dito sa kanilang X account, Twitter, Discord nila, no. So if you have questions dito guys, feel free to ask lang sa ating comment section. Yun lang for today. Maraming salamat ulit sa panunood. Ingat tayong lahat. Peace out. Bye for now.